President Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR has approved the immediate implementation of 8 far-reaching actions to reinvigorate the administration's capacity for optimal efficiency pursuant to his commitment to deliver on his promises to Nigerians. The 8 actions approved by Mr. President are as follows. 1. The renaming of the Ministry of Niger Delta Development to the Ministry of Regional Development to oversee the activities of all the regional development commissions. The regional development commissions to be under the supervision of the new ministry are the Niger Delta Development Commission, the Southeast Development Commission, the Northeast Development Commission, and the Northwest Development Commission. The immediate winding up of the Ministry of Sports Development and the transfer of its functions to the National Sports Commission to develop a vibrant sports economy. 3. The merger of the Federal Ministry of Tourism and the Federal Ministry of Arts and Culture to be known as the Federal Ministry of Arts, Culture, Tourism and the Creative Economy. 4. The reassignment of 10 ministers to new ministerial portfolios. 5. The discharge of 5 ministers. 6. The nomination of 7 new ministers for onward transmission to the Senate for confirmation. 7. The appointment of Shehu Diko as chairman of the National Sports Commission. 8. Sunday Akin Dari was appointed Special Advisor to the President on Public Communication and Orientation, working from the Ministry of Information and National Orientation. List of ministers assigned to new portfolios are as follows. 1. Honorable Dr. Yusuf Tanko Sununu, Minister of State, Education, now reassigned as Minister, Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Reduction. 2. Morufu Olatunji Alausa, Minister of State, Health, now reassigned as Minister of Education. 3. Barrister Bello Muhammad Gurunyo, Minister of State, Water Resources and Sanitation, now reassigned as Minister of State, Works. 4. Honorable Abubakar Ishokweya Momo, Minister of Niger Delta Development, now reassigned as Minister of Regional Development. The new ministers are Uba Megeri Ahmadu, Minister of State, Steel Development, now assigned as Minister of State, Regional Development. Dr. Doris Uzoka Anite, Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment, now reassigned as Minister of State, Finance. Senator John Owan Eno, Minister of Sports Development, has now been reassigned as Minister of State, Trade and Investment, Industry. Iman Suleiman Ibrahim, Minister of State, Police Affairs, now reassigned as Minister of Women Affairs. Ayodele Olawande, Minister of State for Youth Development, now assigned Minister for Youth Development. Dr. Salako Isaac Adekunle Adeboye, Minister of State Environment, now assigned as Minister of State Health. The ministers to be discharged are as follows. Barrister Uju Ken Ohanenye, Minister of Women Affairs. Lola Adijon, Minister of Tourism. Professor Tahir Maman, Minister of Education. Abdullahi Muhammad Gwarzo, Minister of State, Housing and Urban Development. And Dr. Jamila Bayo Ibrahim, Minister of Youth Development. List of new ministers appointed and portfolios are as follows. Dr. Nentawe Yilwata, Minister of Humanitarian Affairs and Poverty Reduction. 2. Muhammad Megeri Dingyadi, Minister of Labour and Employment. 3. Bianca Odinaka Odumegu Ojukwu, Minister of State Foreign Affairs. 4. Dr. Jumoke Oduwole, Minister of Industry, Trade and Investment. Idi Mukhtar Maiha, Ministry of Livestock Development, Federal Ministry of Livestock Development. Right Honorable Yusuf Abdullahi Atta, Minister of State, Housing and Urban Development. Suwaiba Saeed Ahmed, Minister of State Education. The President thanked the outgoing members of the Federal Executive Council for their service to the nation while wishing them the best in their future endeavors. He then charged the newly appointed ministers and their reassigned colleagues to see their appointment as a call to serve the nation. He added that all appointees must understand the administration's eagerness and determination to set Nigeria on the path to irreversible growth and invest the best of their abilities into the actualization of the government's priorities.